Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone, how are you guys? So today we are going to start lesson 11, which is comparing fractions. And thank you very much guys for watching and learning here. You guys are amazing, you're the best audience. Let's begin. So for comparing fractions, the rule is quite simple that we need to keep in mind. So we have two fractions and we have to compare which fraction is bigger or which fraction is smaller, or either both of these two fractions are same or equal. So how we are going to figure this out? We are going to simply apply one rule, which is you just need to cross multiply the diagonals. You know what are the diagonals? This is the diagonal, this is the diagonal, this is the diagonal. So basically you just need to make a cross, not actually the cross, but keep in mind we are making the cross, right? So when we are going to make this line, this diagonal, so it means this is pointing towards 3 and 5. It means you have to multiply these numbers. 3 times 5, so this will give you what? 3 times 5 is 15. Now question is, where should you write 15? So either at the top of second fraction or first fraction. So remember, the value you have chosen, the value in the numerator side value, which is going to be multiplied, so the answer should be written at the top of that fraction. So in this case, this is the numerator value is participating in multiplication. So 3 times 5 is 15, so I'm going to write my answer at the top of first fraction. Now go for the second diagonal. So this is the second diagonal. Let me change the color. So this is the second diagonal. So basically this made a cross, right? So what two numbers are multiplying? 2 times 5. So 2 times 5 is 10. So where should I write 10? Since this numerator value is participating in multiplication, so I am going to write the answer at the top of second fraction. Got it? Okay, let me just cross these diagonals, this cross. Okay, so we have successfully multiplying these two numbers. Now see, the product is, this is 15 and this is 10. So which number is bigger? 15 is bigger. So your answer is your first fraction. Since 15 is bigger than 10, so we can say that 3 over 5 is bigger than 2 over 5, right? Or there is a second way, which is even more simpler. First you have to look at the denominators. If the denominators are same, right, denominators and same, then look into the numerator values, whatever the value which is bigger. Since 3 is bigger than 2, so you can say that 3 over 5 is bigger than 2 over 5. Got it? This is only when your denominator values are same. Now again in this case, question number 2, since denominators are same, so forget about the fraction, focus on to the numerator values. This is 1, this is 3, so 1 is smaller than 3, so you just say 1 over 6 is, since 1 is less than 3, so you simply put it like this. So overall 1 over 6 is less than 3 over 6, right? Okay, in this case when we are having different denominators, so now in this case we apply the cross method. Okay, so the cross method is basically a universal method in order to find out the comparing fractions. So in that case you need not to worry about whether your denominator values are same or not. So this cross method can be applied to both of these two cases, having same denominators or having different denominators. So apply the cross method. So this is the cross. 6 times 5 is 30. So where should I write 30? Since 6 is participating, so write at the top of the first fraction. So 6 times 5 is 30 and 3 times 10 is 30. So this 30 comes here. So 30 is equal to 30. Yes, so this sign should be here. So conclusion is 6 over 10 is equal to 3 over 5. Moving on to the next question. This is the last question about today's session. So again cross multiply. So when you multiply these two numbers, 3 times 3 is 9. So where should I write 9? Here? No. Why? Because I have to focus on my numerator value that is participating in multiplication. So this is this one. So 3 times 3 is 9, write 9 here. Now multiply these two numbers. 2 times 4 is 8. So where should I write 8? Here. Got it? So 9 is, since 9 is bigger than 8, so I can say 9 is greater than 8, or 3 over 4 is greater than 2 over 3. I hope you have got the concept. Now practice questions from your textbook and to see whether you are doing it right or not. So here comes to an end of our today's short session. Stay blessed, be happy, keep smiling. Thank you guys once again for watching and learning here, and stay safe out there. See you after.
Barrel waiting for the